Hi, I'm Ivana, and thank you so much for purchasing one of our digital invitations. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to quickly and easily edit your invitation in Canva, no experience required, and show you exactly where to click to customize it with your information. First, click the Canva link you received. When you open it, you'll see a button in the lower left called Duration with a play symbol similar to the YouTube logo. If it doesn't appear, click the Pages button in the lower right and the Duration button will appear. After clicking Duration, the timeline for your animated invocation will appear. Swipe to the beginning of the video and start editing. To change the text, simply click on it and enter your information. You can also change the text color if desired. Repeat this process throughout the timeline until you've completed all your changes. While editing, you can click play at any time to check how the video is turning out. When you're finished, click the Share button in the top left. Then select Download, choose the MP4 format, and click Download again. The video will load, and a window will appear for you to choose where to save it on your computer. That's it! Now just share your animated invitation with family and friends.